Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tutorials. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that existed long before torrents, streaming, or even the web itself, Usenet. If you've ever wondered how some people download TV shows, movies, or even sports replays in lightning speed, this is where it all began. Let's uncover the story of Usenet, the internet's original file-sharing network. Let's rewind back to 1979. Two graduate students, Tom Truscott and Jim Ellis, created a system called Usenet at Duke University. Back then, there was no World Wide Web, no Google, no social media, just computers connected through phone lines. Usenet was designed as a way for people to share messages and discussions across different computers, kind of like Reddit before Reddit existed. It was made up of news groups, categories where users could post messages, ask questions, and share files. By the 1980s and 1990s, Usenet exploded in popularity. It became the place where programmers, academics, and tech enthusiasts discussed everything, from coding to sci-fi to politics. Originally, Usenet was text-based, but as internet speeds improved, people began uploading binary files, meaning photos, videos, music, and software. This gave birth to what we now call binary news groups, where users could share TV shows, movies, music albums, games, and even live sports replays. Unlike torrents, which rely on users sharing files peer-to-peer, Usenet stores files on dedicated servers. When someone uploads a file, it stays on the server for a specific period called retention time, and others can download it directly at full speed. That's why Usenet became famous for fast, private, and reliable downloads. Today, Usenet still exists, and it's more active than most people realize. To access it, you need three things. A Usenet provider. This gives you access to the servers where the files are stored. A newsreader app. This is the software that lets you browse and download content. An indexer, kind of like a search engine that helps you find what you're looking for, whether it's a show, movie, or sports replay. Many users also use NZB files, which are like maps, telling your newsreader where to find and download the exact files you want. Because everything is downloaded directly from the server, speeds are often maxed out, and there's no peer-to-peer sharing like torrents. It's important to mention, while Usenet itself is 100% legal, downloading copyrighted TV shows, movies, or live sports without permission is not. There are plenty of legitimate uses for Usenet, like sharing open-source software, public domain content, and educational materials. But, as with any platform, how people use it makes the difference. So why do some people still swear by Usenet in 2025? Here's why. Speed. Downloads are insanely fast, limited only by your internet connection. Privacy. No peer-to-peer sharing, meaning your IP isn't exposed to other users. Reliability. Files are hosted on global servers with long retention times. Automation. Tools like say BNZBD or NZBGet can automatically grab and organize downloads for you. Basically, Usenet is like a private cloud-based version of the early internet, and it's still thriving underground. So there you have it, the rise, evolution, and hidden world of Usenet. From its humble beginnings in 1979 to becoming one of the most powerful downloading systems ever created, it's an incredible piece of internet history that most people don't even know exists. Make sure you're using a VPN when using any add-on. We want you to stay safe. Click on the Privato VPN link in the description. Also check VCBox video review. Click on the link in the description. This TV box has it all: live TV, movies, and TV shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.